Imagine a world where e-commerce sales are projected to reach an astounding $4.5 trillion by 2025. Yes, you heard it right, 4.5 trillion. That's larger than the GDP of many countries. It's an industry that's booming and shows no signs of slowing down. Now, picture yourself riding this wave of growth. It's not a pipe dream. With the right tools and guidance, you too can carve out a piece of this trillion-dollar pie. And one of the most powerful tools at your disposal? Shopify. Setting up a Shopify store is as easy as pie. It's a straightforward step-by-step process that anyone, regardless of their tech savviness, can follow. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. It's as simple as providing your email address, creating a password, and naming your store. Step 2. Customize the look of your store. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes to choose from. Pick one that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. Step 3. Add products. Whether you're selling handcrafted jewelry, vintage clothing, or digital products, Shopify makes it easy to add, categorize, and manage your inventory. Step 4. Set up your domain. This is the web address where customers will find your store. You can purchase a domain through Shopify or connect an existing one. Step 5. Activate your payment processor. Shopify supports a wide range of payment options, from credit cards to digital wallets. Choose the ones that work best for your customers. Step 6. Set up shipping. Shopify integrates with major shipping carriers to automatically calculate rates. You can also set flat rates or offer free shipping. And there you have it. 6 simple steps to set up your very own Shopify store. It's a process that's been designed with ease and accessibility in mind, ensuring that anyone can start their e-commerce journey without any tech hiccups. But the journey doesn't end there. Shopify offers a wealth of resources to help you grow your store. From SEO guides to social media marketing tips, you'll have everything you need to attract customers and increase sales. Now you must be thinking, all this sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. Shopify offers a free trial allowing you to test the waters before you dive in. And with the potential for success so high, there's no reason not to give it a shot. So, what's stopping you from joining the ranks of successful Shopify store owners? Sign up for your free trial today and start carving out your piece of the e-commerce pie. The world of online sales is waiting for you, and with Shopify, you're more than equipped to conquer it. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. You've got this!